guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So here's the update of our construction, me and my husband project, a piggery. So guys, but before we proceed to our topic for today, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for you to get updated on my incoming videos. Please keep on watching. So guys, I wanted to share it to you why you need to get a property as much as possible as long as you can afford it. In my own opinion, I will repeat again, in my own opinion, well, why you need to wait for another 5 years or 10 years of your life if you can afford to buy one now? Because here's my reason. First, me and my husband was thinking to buy a property after 5 years. And then I was thinking, because the property is like getting higher over time, and like every year is getting higher, the value of the property is getting higher. So, and then we decided to get one, right? And we did, it's like, we're lucky we made that decision. We both made that decision. We agreed to buy one, and then after that we bought this property, we built a small house, and then we buy goats, chicken, cows, and we buy like few pigs, like a backyard farming only. And then after that, it's like the land is still wide because we bought a 1 hectare land. And then what we did is, so I'm thinking, me and my husband talk like we did every night. Just like, we need at least, like, if we build a piggery, if we build a piggery on this farm, how much we can earn. Well, I know having a piggery business is risky, as we all know, right? There's no stable, right? There is no stable prices for the pigs, but as long as you're feeding it right, taking care of it right, you will never lose money. That's one thing I know for sure. So, and then we decided to build a piggery. So here's the piggery update the construction update of our piggery. So guys, that's the construction update of our piggery. So they just delivered 100 sacks again of a cement. So they're almost, not really almost, but they're making a big progress after a week, after 2 weeks. 11 days to be exact. This is the 11 days of construction. So yeah, now they filled it, and then they put the flooring, see? So yeah, this is the update for 11 days of construction. I have 4 mason and 6 labor working together for this. See, as you can see, it's quite a big. And this is can be fit like 200 pigs. So guys, this is the update of a construction over in this farm. So guys, hope you listen to my advice. As much as possible you can afford, and you're planning to get one, if you have savings and enough funds on your account, or just planning or something, like, oh, okay, like for example, you're saying, I can get one, I want a farm like after 5 years. So why you need to wait 5 years if you can afford now? It's like you can get a better price now of a property compared to buying it after 5 years, because the property value is getting higher every year. So for you to save money and for you to start growing trees like we did, we already planted trees everywhere in here. So after 2 years, there's already trees in here, and there's a shades already in this area. So guys, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to click that thumbs up button, share it to your friends, and don't forget to click the notification bell. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you and bye-bye.